Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. We are doing division on the Abacus and this is 5th episode of division, and today's technique is read your answer till the marked rod. Okay, so if you don't know basic rules about the division, you have to watch another episode. Links is in the description box, and please watch the 1 to 4th episode also about the division, because all the techniques are coming together in this technique. Okay, and today's very first question is 5100 divide by 6. Okay, so we have to take place first 4 digits minus 1 digit. You got 3, means this is our third rod. Please place your answer from here 5100 and pointed your pointer finger to the very first rod and start to divide first dividend by first divisor, and 5 divided by 6 is not possible because divisor is bigger than dividend. At this point you have to take 2 digits, means 5 151. So change your finger. We are going to take this 5 151. Okay, and you have to divide 51 divide by 6. Your answer is, you have to go very last divided number is 8. 6 8s are 48, nearly to 51. Okay, 48. 6 8 are 48. We have to reduce this 48 from here and place your answer 2 rod left side here. 8 6 8s are 48. You have to reduce 4 and 8. For 4 you have to add 1 and reduce this 5. You reduced 4 from this rod, and from this rod you have to reduce 8. For 8 please reduce this 10 and add this 2. This is how to borrow 10 for the addition and subtraction technique. Okay, so if you don't know how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus, you can't do division, because division is most difficult. Okay, so we reduce 48 from here and change your finger. Don't forget this. Okay, and next remaining number is 3 from this 51, and you have to take this 0 and 3 0 30. Okay, 30 means 3 0 30. Okay, so how many times 30 divided by 6 is 5. So place your answer to the 2 rods left side 5 here and reduce that 30. 3 and 0 means you don't need to do anything. Okay, and change your finger, and there is no number. We finished. Okay, we finished. Our answer is 8 and 5. No, you have to read till the marked rod. This is my marked rod. This is my marked rod. Marked rod is very important. You have to read till the marked rod. Your answer is 8 5 and 0. Okay, this is very important. Little bit confusing, and kids forget to write this 0 because they are in hurry to finish the exercises. Yes, of course, everyone. So our answer is 8 5 and nothing, means you have to write 0. 8 5 0. Let's do one more question. I hope that will help you more to understand this technique. Our question is 12,000 divided by 8. Okay, and this is my marked rod, and to take position, to take place, this marked rod is second number, and this is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, and this one number. Okay, so 5 digits minus 1 digit, you got 4. This is 2 number rod, this is 3 number rod, this is 4 number rod, and you have to place your dividend from here 1 2 0 0 0. Okay, so you have to start from here and place your pointer finger. This is ones place for the division. Okay, start to divide. 1 divided by 8 is not possible because divisor is bigger than dividend, means you have to take 2 digits. So change your finger because you are taking this 12. Okay, this 12. So 12 divided by 8, your answer is nearly 1. Please place your answer 2 dot left side here and reduce that 8. 1 is 8. So you have to reduce 8 from here. To reduce 8, we have to borrow this one, okay? Because this is only 2. So reduce 10 and add 2 here. We reduced 8 from here. And after reduce that, you have to change your finger here, okay? Means we have 4 remaining from this 12 and we have to take this 4040 for the next time. 4040. Look, our pointer finger is here, means we are taking this 4 and 0. Okay, and how many times 40 divided by 8? 5 times. Place your answer 2 dots left side here and 8 5s are 40. So please you have to reduce 4040. Okay, and move your finger. Okay, and we have 0 but we don't have number, means you don't need to do anything. Okay, we are not still finished because 0 but this 0 is nothing. You don't need to do anything, just leave that. Remove your finger. You have your answer on your abacus. Look, this is marked rod. Okay, this technique is you have to read your answer till the marked rod, means marked rod, tens, 100, 1000 rod you have 1, 100 rod you have 5, and this is tens rod, this is ones rod, this is marked rod. Marked rod is ones place. 0 and 0. 1500 is your answer. Not only this answer, we have to read till the marked rod. This is our answer. This is the technique. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any comment, please comment to me, and please there is some question on your screen. I'll try to do that, and next episode I'm going to give you lots of exercises about all these 5 techniques of division. Okay, so till then, tata.